Hey guys, John Engel here, and today we're going to tackle the headlights on the Prowler. Why? Because, well, someone mentioned that they were cloudy, and it's even worse when they are a detailer. So Jamie from Rapid Restoration saw the car out and contacted me and said, I would love to come over and just make those headlights look better. I couldn't turn them down, and I figured it was a good time for us to talk to an expert and find out exactly what's needed. So what we're going to do right now is let Jamie do some work on the Prowler. Hey guys, John Engel here, and I've got some great news. Today we're going to fix that by installing a brand new double dim. So today we're going to do an oil change and replace those.
So what I'm doing is a lot of times I'll start with 800 grit, but these aren't like terrible, so I'm starting at 1,000 grit, and basically just, you know, creating a uniform. It's kind of thing you gotta make them look worse before you make them look better. Right. So, and you just kind of create a uniform. Then you just work your way up. I work my way up to 1,500, 2,000, and then 3,000, and then 5,000 actually.
Yeah, like Dawn in there?
No, it's waterless wash.
Okay.
Yeah. So.
That's perfect.
So you'll be able to see for miles now, man.
So that's 1,000 and...
That's 1,000, yeah.
Just 1,000. So, you know, at least you know if you want to stop right there, you get a new look.
That's right. That frosted, you know, that's a new, you might start a new trend. Everybody on Sunday night's going to be jealous, want that frosted.
Well, I will tell you that if I drive the Prowler with it, everyone's going to definitely want it, because this is the trend-setting car that I own.
This is by a company called McKee's 37, and it's headlight polish. So I really like it. You've probably seen a lot of videos where they'll use like, I'm talking about like using like metal polishes on headlights to restore and stuff, which granted does work, but that is the best I've found that cuts really good but also finishes out. Like I still go behind it with lighter polish and then even a lighter polish.
Gotcha.
But in terms of cut and finish versus what these, like the metal polishes people talk about online and stuff, this is the best I've found.
So it doesn't need a lot of speed?
Well, I'm just getting it worked in. I'm just kind of getting it evenly spread across the light.
Gotcha, because if I would have went at this, it would have been full tilt right from the start, and then splatter everything. Yep, there you go.
Exactly. Once I get going, it'll go really quick, because basically the goal is to apply as quick as possible, because what it does is it self-levels essentially.
Gotcha.
And so, but the longer you wait, the more it's already starting to, you know, kind of harden or whatnot. So, always wear gloves.
Yes.
Always. Or you will regret it for weeks.
It's amazing because it really doesn't look like you're, you know, I mean, you can see the gloss from it going on, but it's not like it's a lot of product, you know what I mean?
Right.
Ultimately, there's 3 stages to a headlight restoration. The first is the sanding, the second is the polishing, and then the last step is coating it with something that will be a UV protectant. All right, guys, hopefully you enjoyed that video. Thank you so much to Jamie at Rapid Restoration. I think that he did a remarkable job on the car, and it really does create that facelift that we've been talking about. Makes the car look younger, newer, fresher, and this one is going up for sale. The BMW is sold, so that one is out the door. We need to get rid of the Prowler before we can move on to phase 2, which is to buy a new car. Hopefully you've liked this video. If you have, make sure to leave a comment below. Like, subscribe, share. We'll catch you next time.